Hey guys, so I've been recording videos all day and I'm finally like losing light, so bear with me. Hopefully it's not too bright. I just wanted to share a couple things with you guys that I've been wanting to share with you guys is this here drive. And this drive, you might ask, it goes with my phone. Now if you are like me, you take tons of pictures and then you run out of space on your phone. I can't tell you how annoying this is, especially for YouTubers, especially for moms. Like, we take a lot of freaking pictures, and a lot of times with these phones, don't quote me, I'm just guessing, maybe because the photos nowadays, the phones are getting so much better and the quality is so much better that they're just taking up more space, just like your laptop. A lot of the footage that we get off of our DSLRs and things like that. So long story short, you're gonna have a lot of times when you run out of space on your phone. It's the most annoying thing when you're out somewhere, you're taking pictures, and then your phone keeps telling you you've run out of space. Well, if you're a picture hoarder, footage hoarder like me, you're not gonna want to delete all those pictures just like that because you want to go through them. I have a solution. Just like your laptop that needs an external hard drive, this little gadget, it has been a lifesaver for me when it comes to my phone. Now, I got this off of Amazon, and I'm going to tell you the exact name of this is an iPhone iPad USB flash drive, okay? And it is $80 on Amazon. So it's kind of pricey, but it actually has been a lifesaver for me. I take this everywhere just in case, just for those times when I've kind of gone overboard with taking pictures. So what I do with this is I plug it into my phone, and it has and sorry Android users, this is actually an iPhone gadget, but just like you would plug in, it has a plug that's just like an iPhone charger cord, and you plug it into your phone, and then you can lay them right beside each other. You do have to download the app for this gadget onto your iPhone, and it tells you, it gives you all the instructions, but you download the app onto your iPhone, and then when you plug in the gadget, everything registers to that app, and that's how you're able to regulate all of your photos on and off of this drive. And you guys, it also charges your phone, so if your phone's dying, it can also charge your phone, so it serves as an extra battery as well. Really nice gadget. Again, this is $80, so $79.99 on Amazon. I will be posting down in the description a link to go to this, and once you get there, go ahead and also look at other gadgets. I'm just giving you one that has been working for me that I can vouch for. I definitely wanted to share that with you guys, whether or not you choose to use this one, but the idea of having an external drive for your phone is definitely a plus if you're having issues with keeping a lot of photos on your device. And then another alternative is Google Photos, and I give all this credit to my honey bunny Malika. She told me about this when I was running into this issue as well. Google Photos. Google Photos is really easy because it serves kind of like Dropbox, but with Dropbox you're going to have to pay for that. So depending on how many photos it actually backs up for you, you're going to have to pay for that. And Dropbox is kind of like the iCloud as well, but Google Photos has been really easy, and it's free. And the thing that I love about Google Photos, and you guys are gonna love this, is you sync it to your phone, right? And then you give it permission to back up all your photos and things over to Google Photos. Now you can have it do it periodically whenever you take new pictures, or you can set it up where you manually send over what you want to send over to your Google Photos account. Now, if you choose for it to constantly back it up, that's a plus because then you don't have to worry about it. And then the great part about it is it also helps you delete and free up space on your phone. So don't get too close, but there is a part here that says free up space. So you would go to free up space. Once all your photos are backed up, onto Google Photos, and then it will ask you if you want to delete the photos that have already been backed up. So you literally can just have Google Photos delete all of the pictures that are taking up space in your phone that have already safely been backed up onto Google Photos. And once you have deleted those, you have one extra step. So just in case Google Photos deleted all these photos and you're just not quite sure, now you're a little bit worried, you have all these photos that you just want to go through them and check and make sure that you actually wanted those deleted, you go to your trash. So your deleted photos on your phone, you will go to your deleted photos, and your deleted photos will be all the photos that Google Photos has already deleted, and then the ones that you probably already manually deleted yourself. And you can pick through those because that's an extra step that you have to do to really free up the space on your phone. So they're not all the way completely gone until you manually delete them from your deleted photos box on your phone. What Google Photos does is just go ahead and grab all of them. Now if you are ready to delete all of those, then when you go to deleted photos, you click select all and delete all of them. But if you still want to just kind of browse through, which is probably something you were avoiding anyway, but if you wanted to go ahead and browse through and just to make sure that you don't delete something that you want to use right away, you can go ahead and manually uncheck those as well. But that's an alternative. I hope these are two major things that I'm doing right now. So I hope that they help you guys out. If they do, I really appreciate a nice thumbs up and a share. And if you guys love these tips and they work for you or you're already using them, comment down in the description box. Why do I keep saying that? Comment down in the comment section if you are already using these things and they've been working for you. And if there's anything that you want to share, definitely comment in the comment section and share with the rest of us some new things and some other things that have been working out for you guys as well, so we can all learn from each other, because that's what we're here for. So I hope these helped you, and if you guys are so inclined, you'll subscribe to my channel. There's a little circle right there with my picture. Click on that to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys so much. Stay royal.